Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And can be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize and actualize the spiritual formulas that you use. CD 8, Rasa Vatra. The scorching heat to come will kill the last of life before the water will fill the universe, but scripture will remain on the spiritual platform. What is outside the potential conditions? We learn of God through many incarnate forms. Incarnate forms must die somehow. We should always be humble and reserved. Devotion regulates motion. CD 9. Jaya Radha, Jaya Krishna. Whatever quality creation has, God has the incomparably more full and pure manifestation of it. To associate with the transmitters of the practice of the sacred words develops love of God. The lineage and community give back, causing satisfaction. Distinguish between phenomenon and what is being experienced. When the modes are for themselves, they are obstacles. CD 10, Sri Sri Guru Vastakam. Our position and what to do about it as factors beyond our invention. People choose whether or not God is friend or enemy. CD 11, Sri Sri Sakastakam. Religion is with purpose beyond the single lifetime. Everything related to God. It is for us to attract and reciprocate. Engage the examples that are of Scripture. Credit of influence goes to those who initially incarnated the ideas and actions, godly or demonic. That doesn't mean, of course, the individual doesn't have that. In the 15th chapter of the Bhagavad Gita, a quote is, Urdhva mulam madhah sakham mazvatam prahuravyayam chandam se yasya parnane yastambera saveravit. And the material world is understood as a tree whose roots are upwards and branches are below. And the Bhagavad Gita 15:15 is a suggestion of attaining the spiritual world. Nirmana moha jitta sangaro shadhyatma nitya vinyvrita kamma dvandvair mukta sukha samjnaer chante amunda padam avyayam tat. That eternal kingdom means that we have to be free from the designations, as in, from the delusion that the designations are it, the designation of the modes. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. The potency of the God of light and sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Ever present, ever powerful, ever knowing, all attractive, all enjoying. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare.